We've spent way more time than I've meant to today in these hives. So this outer frame is a lot of honey and bee bread lower on it, and the back side is empty.
There's a lady with some pollen.
There's a lot of bees on this frame on one side. The side towards me was a brood frame, and they're back filling it with some young brood, but they're also filling up a lot of pollen on that side. I don't know if the camera can see all the bee bread and pollen that's in there or not. This side, it looks like they've done some backfilling with more brood where it's hatched out.
You gonna get that rich comb or are you gonna leave it?
I'm gonna leave it for now. You ready for the sugar water?
Oh, yeah.
The next frame I see looks like it has a bit of brood on it. I'll pull it out and we'll see what it looks like.
If I can get the smoker to stand up, and it fell down anyway.
One of the ladies dropped their pollen on the top of the frame here. Just a little ball of pollen sitting there. I'm gonna knock it down in there so they can get to it easier. Oh, somebody already found it as soon as I bumped it. There's a lot of bees on this. This side is a lot of good brood.
That side too.
Yeah, that side has a little bit. I haven't seen any drones, but I'm pretty sure some of this that's hatching out is drone brood. See, this side has a lot more brood, I think. A lot better looking brood pattern. That's a nice queen to have a pattern like that in October. I'm hoping to see a little bit more on it.